I've got a few of these left. These are runner beans and they've dried out with a couple of days of sun we've had. But we have got a few plants in there that look quite healthy. They are trying to grow. And these are basically pole beans. So we can plant them in a biggish container and then we just need something to grow them up. And I've got the perfect thing for that. If you just look to one side, we've got a container which is not a bad size. But we've also got these. I think these were from Lidl. 2 for £5, something like that. And they're spiral aluminium poles. So they're perfect for growing your beans up. All we need to do is just push them into the bottom of that container. And then if we want to straighten them, we can just tie them at top. So basically that's today's plan. We'll take out the best plants from what's left here and we'll get them in that container and we'll get some container runner beans on go. I think I'm going to put some string across these as well, just to get a little bit more support, because they do wobble around quite a bit. Make sure we do this tight as well. I'll probably double string it. That's a bit more sturdy now. Well, that's stopped it wobbling around too much. I can put a cane either side as well, just to stop that movement. But we'll see how they get on for now. We'll get these plants put in. I think I'm just going to top this up, give it a little bit more support. Just break some of these lumps up as well. So now I'll just pick best plants out of these, the ones that are growing the most. They're a bit tangled together, these, so we'll pop a couple out. These have been in this pack quite a while. You can see all the roots are tangling, so as always we'll untangle those. But that's not a bad looking couple of plants to start us off. A bit dry as well. We'll soon sort that out though. That one's a really good one. I'm mainly looking for any that's got this new top growth on it, because then we know that these plants are on their way. And we've got a few dead leaves on there, but I'll cut them off later. For now we'll just get some in. Weather's amazing once again, so we're out again for the day, getting things done. Quite a few yellowing leaves on these, so just get rid of those. Let that fresh growth kick in. So that doesn't look too bad now. Basically clearing up as I go. These plants will find their own way, but it don't hurt to just start them off either. middle as well. Got plenty to go at then. I think for a container that size, that's plenty. But one thing I'm definitely going to do is add some feed to this, because these have been in those packs for a long time, so they've had no nutrition for quite a while. So we'll get this topped up with some feed, and that's as container runner beans all set up. I think this is another really good addition to this Caravan container garden. These poles are around 6 feet high, and as these plants grow, they'll wrap themselves around them, and then it'll fill out with masses of runner beans. While we're at it, I'm going to pop a few of these sweet corn in ground behind me. It's a bit clayey, to be fair, so I'm just going to put a topping of compost on it, pop a few in and see what happens. And as I said, I'm going to put them quite close together. That one's got 2 in it, so I'm going to take that small one away because the roots are very tangled. I'm doing them about a foot apart. Not sure if these are going to do out. That ground is really hard. And as I've mentioned before, you always have to plant these in blocks so they can cross-pollinate. I think we'll just leave it at that. We have got a couple of plants left, but I don't want to put too many in such a small area. If you want to see what else we're going to plant over at weekend, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. You take care.